Yeah. Sorry, did you want to...
I was looking at that.
But this is actually a really cool book too, because they have like the ASL alphabet, and you've always seen it from like this perspective, right? But you typically don't see it from this perspective. And there's a picture in this book towards the beginning where they have a picture of all the alphabet letters, both from the front side, like you typically would see it, and also from the back of the hand, so what it looks like from your perspective as you're finger spelling. So that's kind of it's a cool picture that I haven't seen anywhere else online. But it's just one of those things that I thought was kind of interesting. It's this one right here.
Oh, yeah. So it's showing it from the back of the hand versus from the front.
And that kind of helps too, like with certain letters like Z. And we're like, well, is it right-handed, left-handed? Is it mirrored? Because are they using the selfie camera? Are they using the refreezing camera? And it can be a little confusing. And it's funny, like if you look up Z is one of those things where depending on what chart you find, it shows it both going this way and going that way. Like the arrow, even though the palm is out on both of them, the arrows don't match. And I was able to find like 3 or 4 different variations. And if you look at ASL Connect, Gallaudet, ASL Meredith, and Signed with Har, ASL That, Bill Vickers, they all go away from the body, and then in towards the body, and then out from the body. And so you're looking at your finger, and you're basically drawing the Z in the air from your perspective, not the other person's perspective. Unless you're left-handed, and then you're still going away from the body, but then it becomes a mirror of itself, right? If you're doing A, B, C, and then you get to Z, she's kind of a unicorn where she kind of does the dance move, Z. But
a unicorn.
Typically it's mirrored.